the dog doing?
Good morning, guys. It's 7:58 and I'm gonna go to SM North because we will check some DJI mic because I've decided to start vlogging. I don't know, I want to start to vent my yapping like that. Yes, hindi ako maahatid hanggang SM North, so I have to commute. Pero sa Balinto ako bababa. Then I'm gonna take carousel, then SM North. And because I don't have any mic, kasi mas better if maganda yung audio quality ng video. So we're gonna buy some mic. Sana, I hope merong DJI mic yung store, yung branch sa SM North. If wala, hi guys, so I'm SM Annex right now. So let's see if they have it in their branch or in their store. Ayan, so I'm contemplating if I'm gonna buy the 4.9 or just the 2.9. I like the color blue. Hi! So, here's my new DJI Mini Mic 2. So, rinig ba yung mga kumakain and everything? So, this is the perfect chance to try if it's for noise cancelling kasi maingay sa Jollibee, it's a busy fast food. So, ayan siya. So, I didn't buy the color, like yung pwede mo mapagpalit-palit yung color. Kasi, I realized na hindi ko need yung mga color, yung mga doon. Pero I think, gusto ko kasi yung blue. So, sana yung DJI, merong choice na may certain like color lang na pwedeng i-get. Pero syempre meron pa ding bayad, like add. Pero, gusto ko lang kasi yung color blue doon. Pero hindi ko ma-justify yung bibili ako ng ganong kadaming color. Siguro sa akin lang, pero for for others, siguro, bet nila yung gano'n kasi maraming choices of color, variety of colors. Pero ayun, na-try na natin. Pero meron din akong, ito siya, oh. So, yay! So, very cute siya. Okay, let's see, like, may kita natin yung, ayan, so, ipipress lang daw siya. Ayan. So, it has two mic, mini mic, and yung receiver niya. Which is yung pang phone. So, ayan. Ayan. Pero the thing is, hindi kasi siya pwedeng mabasa and very fragile siya. So, if I'm gonna do vlogs sa beaches and everything, sa mga may water, or kaya kahit sa falls and that, so, ayun. Hindi siya pwedeng gamitin. For mga ganito lang, mga pang arte-arte lang na vlog. So, yun, kakain ako guys. Ito yung food ko. Meow! Chicken Joy! So, hi guys. So, I'm here doing some makeup. I'm done na. So, nag-ayos na ako. So, ano mga gamit. And then, done. So, good morning guys. So, it's 9:50. So, today is the first day of the Photo Fiesta 2026. And, medyo hindi lang okay pakiramdam ko ngayong paggising ko kasi doon hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos. Medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko. I don't know if mainit ba or what. Pero ayun, so, maliligo lang muna ako, then do makeup and kain. So, I don't know, no. Maybe kakain muna ako, ligo, then makeup. And hindi ko pa sinasabi sa mother ko. Kasi yung mother ko, guys, pag nagsabi ako ng mga lakad niya, anong gagawin mo doon? Pero yun, sabihin ko sa kanya. So, maybe I'll call her right now after this. I don't know. I'll be back later. Bye, guys. So, hi, guys. So, ayun. So, natin mic ko. Pero yun, guys, I'm done doing my sunscreen. So, I'm doing my makeup. Mga simple makeup lang.
since kailangan ko na umalis kasi I feel like abutin ng 1 or 30 minutes yung biyahe since magka-carousel ako banda. So, I have to be quick. Mabilisan lang, like super bilis. And it's 11:16. So, ayun. Ito ko sa phone ko. I'm done with my makeup. Simple makeup lang. And I think alis na ako ng mga 11:30 para mag-ayos muna ako ng gamit. Then, we will go to MOA. So, nakasakay na ako ng bus pa MOA. So, dito ako sa may Balintawak. So, carousel hanggang MOA. So, medyo mahaba yung biyahe. Almost 1 hour and 30 minutes, I think. Since stop pa siya. Pero, ayan. So, aircon naman siya. So, nagpapawisan ako. Okay, konting chika lang guys. So, okay, right now, I'm in Kamuning na, I think. Okay, yes. And medyo malalay pa yung biyahe. Pero, if you guys, a fan of Olivia Rodrigo, she released na yung whole album niya for this year. And, let me know guys, ano ba yung favorite nyo? Kasi for me, I really like The Honeybee, Less, Stupid Song, then The Cure, and also The Jacket. Hindi ko talaga muna inayos yung hair ko kasi sa MOA ko na siya ayusin. Then, we're gonna do a vlog there about the Photo Fiesta 2026. Commute girly talaga ako every time. And, makakapunta ako as long there's a carousel and there's a LRT and MRT, LRT2. Kaya ko yan. So, walang imposible sa akin. Makakapunta ako. Then, if hindi talaga, after nga na ganun, like, if punta ako, bababa ako ng certain, part of, stations, ganyan. Tapos, then, if saan yung hindi ko na talaga alam, ano yan, saka lang ako magmo-move it, ganyan. Kasi hindi sa pagiging tipid, but also, wala lang. I'm a commute girly. And every time na nagko-commute yung mga friends ko, they always ask me. But of course, hindi all the time. But also, if it's on the main road, matatamaan, ganun. But if it's the inside of specific lugar, minsan hindi ko na siya alam. So, ayan. So, I'll come back later and update. And right now is 1:03. So, hi guys. So, it's 1:58. So, sakto 2 ako nakarating. And, so, anyway, so nga pala. Naka-all black ako today. Nakadalawang palit ako. Ay, tatlo ako ng palit ako ng damit. So, hi guys. So, nandito na ako. So, nakakahiya. Pero yun, I'm so overwhelmed. Pero let's see kung ano yung pwede nating makita. Paano yung maka-caught up ng interest natin. I have a sticker and also collecting stuff. Wait lang. Na-overwhelm ako sa dami ng mga booths here. Pero yan, then there's some photos. Ang cute. Oh, meron pala ito. Sana di ako mukhang chop tignan. Hi! I have to do this, like, DJI Osmo Action. I Osmo Action 5. Then I have to film also in my phone. So, medyo mahirap. Like, so, ayun. Again, for the fit check, may hawak pa akong phone. Henry's, that Photo Fiesta has a workshop. So,
Yes.
like, if you want to learn something about photography, film, videography, meron silang workshop here and you can freely listen to them. And you can also ask questions. So, hi guys, I am in Jollibee. So, nag-crave ako ng Jollibee. But, by the way, so, kinuha ko na yung PR ko from Henry's Professional. Pero babalik pa ako later. Nagugutom lang din talaga ako. Kanina pa ako nagugutom. Pero, let's unbox. Let's unbox. Okay, yun. Let's unbox or like yung PR na ibinigay nila sa akin. So, first is the cup. So, let's see. Oh my God! So, medyo malaki lang sa akin. Pero na-adjust siya sa likod. So cute. Then, t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt. T-shirt. Wow! So, it also has a sunscreen. I love it. Recently, like, gusto ko mag-invest sa more skincare, especially sunscreen. Oh! 1,000 discount. Ay, 1,000 off discount voucher. Oh my God. So, pag bumili ka pala ng tig to 2K, 1K na lang babayaran mo. So, let's try. Let's see if meron ba tayong mabibili later. Of course, the bag. So, bag. Oh, yung cute ah. So, yan. Tote bag from Henry's. And, oh my God! The famous! The mini camera! Oh my God. This is the G6 thumb camera. Oh my God. So cute! Thank you so much, Henry's Professional. Bye guys. Eat muna ako. Bye! Gutom na ako.